Good morning, Blackman Middle School. Today is Tuesday, April 9th, 2024. It is an A Day, National Library Week, a Band A3, and I'm Mrs. Castle with today's Tiger Talk. For this week's Literacy Lowdown, I'd like to acknowledge National Library Week. Not only do we get wonderful books at the library, but there are tons of tools and resources that we can use as well. To celebrate National Library Week, you can get and use a library card, attend a library event, or thank a librarian. For more information, you can check out the American Library Association. Math class isn't the only place we deal with numbers at Bachman. Here's Miss Keelis with a behind-the-scenes look at math in the woodshop.
I'm Mrs. Keelis. In the woodshop, we use rulers to measure box projects all the time. We work in inches and sixteenths, or imperial measurement.
First, we have to measure the top of the box.
3/8. Next measurement is across the box. 8 and 7/16. 16ths, 10, and 3/8. Now we have to subtract that from that. How do we do that? First, you have to change this into sixteenths by multiplying by 2. 3 times 2 is 6. Thank you. So now instead of 3/8, we have 6/16, right?
Yeah.
But can you subtract 6 minus 7?
No.
No, so what do you have to do? Change this to 9 and make this 16 plus 6. 16 plus 6 is 22. All right, now we've got 9 and 22/16 minus 8 and 7/16. What's 9 minus 8? 1. What's 22 minus 7?
15.
All right, 1 and 15/16. Now, we have a center board on our box top, and we want to take half off of each side, so our center board is still in the center. So we have to divide that number by 2, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to go over to the table saw. 9 and how many 30-seconds? So that's where the fence is set? Is that in the right spot?
Yeah.
Now you cut. Yep. So now we're cutting this side. And then what was our final measurement that we wanted? 8 and 3/8. And that's how we use measurement in the woodshop.
Grab your umbrellas because the topic for today's Minnesota Severe Weather Awareness Week is severe thunderstorms, lightning, and hail. Thunderstorms affect relatively small areas. A typical thunderstorm is 15 miles in diameter and lasts for about 30 minutes. Severe thunderstorms can produce large hail or have winds of at least 58 miles per hour up to 100 miles per hour, which produces tornado-like damage. Here's some more fun facts. Thunderstorms need warm, humid conditions to develop. They may occur singly, in clusters, or in lines, produce heavy rain, and 10% of them are severe and can bring high winds and large hail. What is hail? A good question. It's larger than sleet and it forms in thunderstorms. To put it simply, hail is frozen water droplets that can range from pea-sized to as large as a baseball-sized. They can travel faster than 100 miles per hour and can even injure or kill people. Yikes. All thunderstorms produce lightning. A bolt of lightning can be over 5 miles in length and can strike up to 15 miles away from the center of a storm. Did you know your chance of being struck by lightning is once in your lifetime or 1 in 12,000? And heat lightning doesn't exist. It is flashes from a faraway storm that can't be heard. Know the terms. A severe thunderstorm watch means that there could be one brewing. Stay tuned. A severe thunderstorm warning means it is reported and you should seek shelter immediately. When a storm's a-comin', secure outdoor objects, close your shutters and windows, and secure outside doors. Consider postponing activities, know where the nearest shelters are, get the weather reports, have backup, and check your emergency kit. Got it? During thunderstorms with lightning, the safest place to be is any normal building with water pipes or electricity. Most cars are safe too because their tops are made of metal. It's not the rubber that keeps you safe. Remember, no place outside is safe when thunderstorms are in your area. So if you hear thunder, lightning's close enough to strike you. So when you hear that, go to a shelter and stay inside for at least 30 minutes after you hear the last sound of thunder. During thunderstorms with lightning, if you are outside and can't find shelter, avoid tall trees, hilltops, open fields, and beaches. Avoid underground sheds or flimsy structures. If you're on a boat, get to shore as soon as possible and get to the lowest area available if that is not in flood area. Finally, all thunderstorms produce lightning, so if you can hear thunder, you are in range of lightning. Lightning often strikes the same place repeatedly, especially if it's a tall, pointed, isolated object. Lightning can strike up to 15 miles from the center of the thunderstorm, far from the rain or storm cloud. And if you're looking for something to do during a thunderstorm, reading is always a cozy option. Well, that's all for today. Have a good one. Share your knowledge of thunderstorms and love of libraries. And go get 'em, Tigers!